We believe in learning by doing. That's a mantra in our family. And so being able to come out here, grab a rope and throw it, grab a horseshoe, be able to see what a blacksmith does, all these experiential moments that really burn inside a child's brain. And if we can get them out here and experience those things and learn from it and have a little appreciation for that ranch lifestyle, perfect.
The children are learning the history in a way that is both interactive, hands-on, and is really grounded in this place. So it comes from the history of the land, and it's beyond that. I mean, the docents, some of them are descendants of the original ranchers of this land.
My son really loved the blacksmith station. As a teacher myself, I've been on many field trips over the last 20 years, and I've also chaperoned many from my own children, and this one's been really special because we really get to learn about the history of the city that we live in and that we drive through every day.
Something so special about this field trip, it's very calming. It doesn't feel chaotic at all, like some field trips do. I also love that we get just this historical perspective of where we live and understanding the history and the family and the impact that they had on our community. All of the activities seem to be just so well planned, well organized, and really fun and engaging.
Today's been a great opportunity for kids to learn about the land and the people that were here before us. You've got a wide variety of activities kids are doing here, and you have some really amazing docents who are leading the kids in these groups, and they're all engaged, and we just couldn't ask for a more in-depth experience so close to home. The Rancho period fits nicely into the 3rd and 4th grade state standards for social studies. I could see easily our 4th graders coming to this.
The Moulton Museum being at Aliso Viejo Ranch is absolutely authentic and perfect because this used to be part of Moulton Ranch. Our great Aunt Louise had her headquarters here. We go way back with this dirt, so it's great to be able to be here at Aliso Viejo Ranch to kick off the Ranch Roundup. And we want these kids to notice what's around them and what was here before them.